Here's Jamie, playing trains. Hi. You say hi? Hey, do you want to do your animal noises? What does a cow say? What does a sheep say? Bah. Hold on, I'm going to turn off the TV. Alright. What does a cow say? What does a sheep say? What does a horse say? What does a pig say? Oink. What does a duck say? Quack. What does a lion say? What does a monkey say? Yeah, that's the sign for monkey. What does a owl say? Hoo hoo. What does a donkey say? Eeyaw. What does a rooster say? Cock-a-doodle-doo. What does a dog say? Oh, all done. All done performing. Say hi, Nana. Should we send this to Nana Ferguson? Say hi, Nana. Okay, now say bye-bye. Bye.